Hi everyone, and welcome back to another DIY quick craft with Miss Abigail here at the Harris-Elmore and Genoa Libraries. And today we are bringing in the new year with a bang with these New Year's noisemakers. So let's go ahead and get started. You will need a few supplies for this craft. First, you will need a cardboard tube, scissors, tissue paper, glue, rubber bands, and something to add to your shaker to make noise. I'm using dried beans, but you could opt for rice, buttons, rocks, or small beads. You will also need an assortment of materials to decorate the outside of your shaker. First, you will want to start off by decorating your cardboard tube. You can use paint, colored pencils, or stickers. Just don't forget to use your imagination. Once your tube is completely decorated, take your tissue paper and cut 4 squares that are big enough to cover the ends of your noisemaker. Split the squares up and place 2 over one end. Rubber band so that the tissue paper is nice and secure. Begin filling your tube with your beans. Once filled about 1/4 of the way, add the other 2 tissue paper squares to the open end of the tube, ensuring this is secure as well. And there you have it, a creative way to bring in the new year.